Most people think they mess up during the build. They don't. They mess up before they even start. They pick land without knowing if it can be financed. They buy plans that might not appraise. They talk to builders who are not going to get approved. And they listen to advice that sounds confident but ignores how everything actually connects. And then they hit the wall and think, why is this so hard? Because barndominiums are not built backwards. Every early decision sets the ceiling or the trap for everything that comes next. And once the wrong pieces are locked in, fixing it gets expensive fast. This isn't about doing more research. It's about doing things in the right order. When the sequence is right, the project moves. When it's wrong, everything feels impossible. That's the difference between guessing and having a strategy from the start. You know you want a Barndo. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.